Hi boys and girls, you're going to use this snacks vending machine poster to solve a couple problems today. Before we begin solving the first problem, I want you to read through these questions with me. What do you know from the story? What do you want to find out? What is your plan? Does your answer make sense? And how do you know? These are the questions that I want you to think about every time you go about solving a problem. Let's read this problem together. You buy 2 packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. How much money do you spend? So the first question I'm going to ask myself is, what do you know from your story? What do I know from my story? Well, I know that I buy 2 packages of crackers and 1 package of sunflower seeds. I can see that right here in my story. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. The next question is, what do you want to find out? Well, I want to know the total cost of the items. That's what I need to find out, because the question is, how much money do you spend? If I want to know how much I spend, I'm going to need to know the cost of the packages of crackers and the package of sunflower seeds. So now I need to figure out a plan. What is your plan? Well, I'm going to figure out how much 2 packages of crackers cost and then add in the cost of 1 package of sunflower seeds. That's how I'm going to solve this problem. So let's go ahead and get started. But the problem asks me to find 2 packages. A couple ways I can do this is I can take the package of sunflower seeds, the 30 and the 30, and add those together to get 60, because that's the cost of 1 package of crackers. So if I take 30 plus 30, those are my 2 packages, and I get 60. I can also take 2 and multiply by 30, because that's the same thing as adding 30 plus 30. Both ways I get 60. So now I'm going to add on the sunflower seeds. So this is the cost of the crackers. But now I need to figure out the rest of the problem, because I need to know the cost of the crackers and sunflower seeds. So I'm going to take that 60 and I'm going to add it to the cost of the sunflower seeds. And again, the cost of the sunflower seeds is 60. So if I add those 2 together, I'm going to get 120. Okay, so that's where I come up with my answer of 120. I have to make sure I include the units as well. So the units is going to be cents. 120 cents is my answer. Boys and girls, now it's going to be your turn. Actually, one more thing. Now I need to make sure before I move on, and we're very used to just moving on and not thinking through if our answer makes sense. And how do we know? Well, I know my answer makes sense because the crackers are less than 50 cents. Those crackers were each 30 cents. So the crackers are less than 50 cents, and the sunflower seeds are just a little more than 50 cents. The sunflower seeds were 60 cents. So all 3 of those items together, 30 plus 60, should be a little more than $1. $1 being 100 cents. And that's what my answer was, just a little bit more than 100 cents. So now I know my answer is correct. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. I want you guys to try these 2 questions with a partner. Be sure you solve them in your journals and get ready to share tomorrow. So the first problem is, what costs more? 2 packages of mints or 3 packages of cheese sticks? And how much more? So there's 2 questions you're going to have to solve for, so be very careful. Figure out what costs more, the packages of mints or the packages of cheese sticks, and then be sure to tell me how much more. When you solve this problem, make sure you use those steps I showed you. The second problem, number 2, is you buy 5 packs of crackers. There are 2 crackers in each pack. You eat 3 crackers. How many do you have left? So both of these problems are going to involve a couple steps. Do your best, work it out with your partner, make sure you use those strategies. Good luck.